Quick update on the Eye of Agamotto project. About a month ago, we posted this project, and in it there was an electrical assembly. This electrical assembly was kind of glossed over in the video, and we alluded to creating additional circuit boards, and we got enough interest kind of between when we posted it and now to put together some custom circuit boards. The purpose of these circuit boards is to help kind of clean up this rat's nest that you end up with if you follow just the normal instructions and just, add a level of polish to the project. So this is a fully custom circuit board and daughter board, and they have they capture basically two different configurations that you can assemble the eye in. So the first configuration is using just the main board. You can install switches on the back that enable you to make it go forward and backwards using switches that are on the back, which is perfect for kind of a display application. So if you print the stand that is part of the file set, you can install this on the back, have it displayed on a bookcase or something, and walk up to it and have it go forward and backwards without a rat's nest hanging out the back end. The other situation uses this daughter board, and it's more cosplay focused. So you can see here there's 1, 2, 3 ABC, and on the daughter board there's also 1, 2, 3 ABC. If you connect those and install the switches over here, you can run a length of wire, perhaps maybe all the way up and down a sleeve so that this can exist in your hand or readily accessible. And it allows you to activate the Agamotto prop kind of more discreetly. So we are selling these on our Etsy shop. There'll be several configurations. The most basic configuration will be these two circuit boards, the screws and shafts necessary to put the 3D printed kit together, and probably one of these motors. These motors are easy to get, but they're kind of expensive when you buy just one of them. So we bought them in bulk, and we hope to kind of pass some of that savings that we got onto you guys and just make it a little more approachable. The next step up will include kind of the necessary switches and the LED and that kind of thing, just to make it a little bit easier. And then I think the highest tier will likely be all of the shafts, all of the screws, all of the electronics, and the 3D printed parts. So definitely check the details in our Etsy shop, and I'm sure we'll kind of ramp into availability for each of those. But I have here a fully assembled version for kind of the desktop display. This is, if you buy kind of the mid-tier, you'll be receiving all of these components plus the screws and the shafts. This has a 9-volt battery in it, and when you turn it on, the LED comes on, which is kind of a indicator that you have power and everything. And the way it works is just like this one, just a little cleaner. You've got switches on the back. If you press the switch, the motor moves in one direction, and if the switch or if the motor gets driven through the mechanism into this limit switch, it turns the motor off for you, which protects the mechanism itself. Then you can let go of this, and the drive in the other direction switch is still active, and the motor spins the other way until it drives into this limit switch. And that allows you to kind of, without thinking about it, control the direction of the assembly, right? There's no danger of holding this down and kind of grenading a bunch of teeth within the gearbox. So that is it. This is it fully assembled. I guess check our Etsy listing and our Etsy shop, link in the description, and always right here. Gotta always be plugging, but check our Etsy shop for the various details and kind of the various configurations that this is available in. But just wanted to give the update that we went ahead and made a circuit board, and we're real excited. Thanks for being patient with us. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.